Hi guys! Good afternoon to everyone. Now is November 24, 2025, Monday. Guys, sa video kong to, ipiplex ko ang aking Key 11 Vacuum Suction Mobile Holder. On the other term, or on the other word, tinatawag din to na Key 11 Vacuum Rotating Phone Holder. Ito po ang box niya guys. Oh, wait guys Oh. Key 11 Vacuum Suction Mobile Holder or Key 11 Vacuum Rotating Phone Holder. Guys, magba-vacuum siya guys Guys, kung i-clockwise natin, magba-vacuum siya. Kung i-counterclockwise natin, matatanggal siya guys Tanggal. So, magma-magnet siya guys. Lipat natin siya sa guys, sa aming sliding wall namin guys. And this is my place guys, simple, small but durable. Ito ang sliding wall namin guys Yan. So wait guys clockwise, 1 to 3. Magba-vacuum siya. So, magnetic siya, guys, Tanggalin natin, Ang phone natin, magma-magnet. 360 degrees siya, rotatable siya, right to the left, right to the left, left to the right. 360 degrees rotatable at saka magnetic. Wait, guys, magnetic, may nakalagay, guys, magnetic bracket for smartphones. So, magnetic man siya guys. So, yan. Nandyan ang phone natin guys. Right to the left, left to the right. Magnetic siya. Tao. Pag ganun pa, right to the left, left to the right. Magba-vacuum talaga siya guys. Di ba? What you see is what you get guys. Nothing more, nothing less. Walang labis, walang kulang, di ba? Yan, nandyan siya sa wall. Pwede natin siya gamitin sa loob ng sasakyan natin. Kung babae kayo, mag-makeup kayo. Kung lalaki kayo, mag-video kayo or mag-selfie kayo. So, guys, it's up to you guys. So, guys, tingnan nyo guys I-counterclockwise natin, tanggalin natin. 1 to 3. Matatanggal siya. So, yan. So, sa lahat po ng mga interesado dyan, galing po to siya sa Liao Tongxing na shop. Seller, ang bait ng seller nito. Thank you so much po. Liao Tongxing na shop. Thank you so much. Sa shop niyo po, more sales to come. At saka sa seller po, take care always together with your loved ones or together with your family. More blessings to come. At God bless po seller. Liao Tongxing shop. At sa lahat po ng mga friends ko dyan, especially na po sa palaging nag-order sa mga products ko, sa links ko or sa Hello Basket ko. Thank you so much po sa trust po at sa suporta. At saka it's already bare month na. It's already 31 days remaining na lang guys para mag-celebrate na tayo ng Pasko. So, an early Merry Christmas to everyone. Take care po tayo always. At God bless po sa ating lahat or God bless us all and that's all. Peace.